How to download and install Microsoft Word. So very first thing you have to do, you have to search for Microsoft Store. Search for it on the Bing. Now here you will get Microsoft Stores. Now click on it. Now you will be redirected to a new page here. Now on this will be a Microsoft Store. Now here on the search bar, type Office, then press enter. Now you will see here that everything is paid. For example, everything is paid. So you have to look for Microsoft Office 365. Now here you can see a search for Microsoft 365, and here this is all department. Now you have to go to the apps here. Now you can see here Microsoft 365, Microsoft Copilot. So what you have to do, you have to just go and you know go and click on Microsoft 365. Now click on view in store. Now automatically you will be redirected to Microsoft Store here. Now in the store, you have to just go and click on open. Now it will open. Now here, once it get open, you can use Microsoft Word, right? So for example, you can see here Microsoft 365 app is now the Microsoft 365 Copilot. Okay, so they have changed the logo and everything here. Now here you can see here, just go to the document, right? Representation, Excel, and there's a lot of more features. So now here you can just go and use Microsoft Word. So this is a way to do this, and just go and click on install app here, and it will ask premium, but without buying anything here you can use Microsoft Word. So this is how you can do so. On the sidebar also you will find this application. Thanks for watching.